This question is from GATE 2022 Mechanical Engineering paper, set 2, question number 20. A shaft of diameter 25 with tolerance having lower limit minus 0.07 and upper limit minus 0.04, all values in millimeter, is assembled in a hole of diameter 25 with lower limit tolerance being minus 0 and upper limit of tolerance being plus 0.02, all values in millimeter again. Match the allowance and limit parameter in column 1 with its corresponding quantitative value in column 2 for this shaft hole assembly. So in the column 1 we are being given allowance, maximum clearance and maximum material limit for the hole, and we need to match it with column 2 in which the quantitative values are given to us. So let's find out the correct matches. Let's see the options one by one for this shaft hole assembly. So option P, that is given allowance. Allowance is found out by taking the difference between lower limit of hole and the upper limit of shaft. So from the given values for shaft and hole, that is for shaft it is given 25 minus 0.07 minus 0.04 in millimeters, and for hole it is given as 25 minus 0.00 and plus 0.02 millimeters. So lower limit of hole is nothing but 25 minus 0.0 minus upper limit of shaft is nothing but 25 minus 0.04. You have to directly add the tolerance along with its sign in order to calculate the limit dimensions. So this will be equal to 25 minus 25 plus 0.04. 25 minus 25 is 0. So the value that we get is 0.04 millimeters. This is given in third one in the column 2. So P matches with 3. Let's find for Q, which is maximum clearance. Now maximum clearance is found out using upper limit of hole minus the lower limit of shaft. Substituting the values again, we have upper limit of hole is 25 plus 0.02 minus lower limit of shaft is 25 minus 0.07. So here we get again 25 minus 25 is 0. So 0.02 minus minus plus 0.07. So this we get as 0.09 millimeters. Q matches with 1 in the column 2. So we have Q is for 1. Let's find it for R now. R is maximum material limit for the hole. This is simple. Maximum material limit is nothing but lower limit of the hole. So lower limit of hole will be equal to, in this particular question you can take this hint from the given options also, because even if you make a mistake of taking the upper limit, there is no option mentioned here with 25.02 millimeter. So it has to be the lower limit of hole, which is 25 millimeter itself, because the lower limit of tolerance is 0.00 itself. So R matches with 4 here in column 2. P for 3, Q for 1 and R for 4. Let's go back and mark the option with these matches. P3, Q1 and R4 is given in option A itself. Option A is the correct one. To learn more about fits and tolerances, you can refer to the NPTEL video, Numerical Problems on Fits and Tolerances. It's from the course Metrology. The course is taught by Professor Sadashivappa. He is from Mechanical Engineering Department of Bapuji Institute of Technology. I hope this explanation helps you clear your doubt. Thank you.